guys, good morning. Good morning everyone. Hope everyone's having a good day so far. Looking forward to a nice day today. Hopefully it'll be aggro today with the news coming up. I will do analysis in a second. Alright guys, 9 minutes to go for news. Let's do a quick analysis here. So we're looking at for news. We got PPI coming up and there's a lot of other news with it all in one go. So this is low, actual is greater. So they're expecting bad numbers in unemployment. They're expecting good numbers on retail. Very good for some reason. What was the last time? Okay, they're expecting good numbers on retail sales, bad numbers on unemployment. Expecting about the same on PPI month over month. The core retail, they're expecting good numbers as well. And core PPI, they're expecting Worst number. So a bit of a mixed bag. But the main news here, the core PPI, they're expecting bad numbers compared to previous. Let's see if we get good numbers today. That means this can push gold up, and this can push up. No, this can push down. This may not move. This one can push down. This one can push up. So it's a mixed news. So we'll see. We'll see what the news gives us, and we'll trade after the news, not on news today. But let's mark up some levels for the daily. So we had a bearish closure daily on Monday. Oh, sorry, on Tuesday. But on yesterday we ended up closing bullish. So what's gonna happen today? Is this a bottom wave for the daily to start gripping back up? And how far are we from all-time highs? Only 180 pips. So is it gonna rip up, flip and rip up on or after the news? And we keep going up on the bullish. So you only have one bearish candle, or is it gonna close below all these ranges today? So we'll see. We'll see what happens when the day ends. Once again, bearish closure would be ideal on the day, but bullish closure means we may have to start ripping back up. But let's go down to lower time frame. Let's see what the 4 hours doing. So 36 minutes left for the 4 hour to close. Obviously, news coming up in 7 minutes. If you don't get a trade between now and 4 hour near the 4 hour closure, maybe 5 or 10 minutes before 4 hour closure, we'll probably have a trade after the 4 hour opens up. Okay, so with the 4 hour, we are coming down right now. I believe we broke previous highs, so we made a small top wick for previous 4 hour, and we're running down back. So let's see. If we do close bearish, there's a good chance in the next 4 hour we will. I mean, if the news doesn't tap it right now, we will probably tap this 2158 zone at some point for the 4 hour to continue down. I think on the minimum we will tap this area, but with news coming up, it may actually tap it and then flip. It's only 60 pips, so it may tap down and flip bullish if it wants to, or it can continue going down. So that's after news. So we come back to 4 hour after news and do a less on the 4 hour if you don't have a trade by then. But till then, let's go down to low time frame. Let's see what we can do on the news. What can we do on news? Okay. Okay. So just like normal, or just like always, I mean, for buyers and sells, what we want to see. You want to tap there, or a tap. Let's see. Is that one on 4 hour? 4 hour looks cleaner. Maybe tap here. So what these yellow lines? These yellow lines are taps for buy or sells. So if we tap this top wick, so this top area in this zone, we tap in this zone somewhere, and we'll adjust accordingly once the news comes out. But the plan is for the price to really move heavily, which may not move considering how far it is actually those taps. But if you tap the highs and flip down, so you can have sell stops coming down, or if you tap the bottom area here first, we can have buy stops coming back up. So we can tap this zone, or we can tap this zone here as well. And a bit same, yeah. So I'll probably remove this and just make it a zone. So you just wanna tap somewhere in here. And tap up here. Let's see if we get any taps around here. Right, that was the plan on news. So go back to 30 and let's see. So 2 minutes 40 seconds left, and we just let the news print it out, and then we'll see. Also today there's lots of news, and they're expecting mixed numbers between them. So that means price may not move on news straight away. It may news 5 minutes or 15 minutes after. So it may take some time for it to move, but we'll be here. We'll be ready. Again, we'll just wait for our setup to align, and then we'll execute on the setup. Otherwise, we'll just let this news play out, and we'll come back on the 4-hour closure. But yeah, with the 4-hour closure, depending how much range we got for sales, it would be nice because we will probably tap 2158 to come down. But if you end up closing bullish, then ideally you want to close above 2176, or maybe 2177. Yeah, we want to close inside this range so we can go up and get the wick fill all the way up top. But let's see how this 4-hour will close after news. So 1.5 minutes to go. I'm trying to mark some more labels just to see if we can grab something on a 5-minute. Even if we don't get taps, just the resistance and support, recent resistance and support. This is a strong level here. Yeah, we have taps here lots of times. That's a strong area. This one is more like minor one, this one. But aggressive. Taps here have been aggressive, either push up or push down. But tap here has consolidated. Let's see, is there anyone on top? And the top area is clean. Okay. Alright. 40 seconds to go. Let's see. Alright, 8 seconds. Let's go. Let's see what we get here. Are we gonna see a massive push in one direction or what? Alright, looks like we dump straight away. Did not move as much. Are we gonna continue going down? Alright, we flipped. Okay. So we flipped, made a top wick again to push down. Let's see what the minute is doing. How much has this moved then? 49, so 50 pips. Again, as I already said, it may not move till for a while. I mean, just because we got mixed numbers. Let's see what the numbers came out though. Yeah, we got all mixed numbers. Alright, so what we got? So PPI numbers are good. Unemployment is good. Only retail is bad. So I feel like PPI and unemployment should be able to take over retail sales. So I do think there's a good chance you can keep going down, but it has a broken its lows here. But anyway, we're not gonna take any trade till a 5-minute closure. With the 5-minute closure, we probably want below 65 at least. Let me go to other time frames. Alright, let's see on the 5. And this 1 minute has not broken lows. Okay, it's breaking now. Alright, we're driving now. So I do think that may just be the top wick, but I don't know if we will be able to uh, do much with that. It's not that steep. Yeah, big consolidation of 5 here. I think the levels are okay. Let's just wait where the 5 closes. Alright, we'll wait for 5 to close and then we'll see if there's a potential here. Ideally, I will probably wait for 15 to close. But we'll see. Yeah, the problem with the bot top wick is that's not that steep. It didn't really grab orders to really run down to all these zones to 2155 to 2150, break the lows and stuff. But which is why we wanted a top wick in that zone up here, breaking all these highs to come down. It will flip. It will just run through it all. But at least on the minimum, I had to see a top wick like breaking this high around 2170 zone, 2171 zone. But we now got that top wick there either, and this candle may just range. It may be the 4-hour closure that moves us, or the NYC that brings in more volume to get the direction on the day to actually move then. But so far, even with the 5 closure, it's not looking that good. I mean, it's already tapped a minor area here and kinda rejected. It can wick fill here, but how much range is it worth taking a trade here? Yeah, you get like 40 pips stops. You only get 20 pips. But also we don't know if this is a direction yet on the news, so for now we'll just wait. It didn't really close. It didn't really break out, could be just a fake out. It didn't close that far out. And you can see close right at resistance on the 5. I'll draw it in. Resistance there, support and resistance, and close right at it. But if it's your analysis, there's potentially a trade here. You take sell stop now that it's made a bottom wick. So on the break of lows, we can go down and your stops will probably be current candle high. But we're not taking this. But yeah, if the news doesn't push us much, then it will likely be the 4-hour candle open. Once the 4-hour opens, we may move. But if that doesn't make us move either, then NYC should be able to move us. But I do expect today to move somewhat. It shouldn't really be ranging. It shouldn't be a rangy day with the way they close. It's close and strong bullish. So it just needs to decide if it wants to keep going up or was this just a minor resistance. Any minor resistance they wanted to form to keep going down. Yeah. So yeah, we just gotta figure out what if it's a bottom wick on the daily or is this a drive on the daily. Guys, don't forget to drop a like, subscribe, leave some comments as well, and I've dropped the link for the socials. You can join the free Discord server. It's a free Discord community Discord server. You got any questions or you wanna get some knowledge or something, you can join there. The community will be able to help you there. Also, don't forget to join if you want to catch all these trades live. I mean, you're at the right place, but if you want to catch any of the trades that we take during London session, or I mean, it's pretty much London session only though. We don't really take trades on Asian session, but yeah, if you want to take any trades that we take out of that stream, just like this gold trade that we have given on Telegram. So don't forget to join Telegram. It is free for a limited time for the first 50 users. So it'll be free for you guys for a limited time. It'll be free, and then it's gonna be a premium Telegram group then at that point. But gold is not making any moves, so the plan is once we come down here, so this is a Telegram trade. You can join Telegram to see update on the trades. We will take this live as well once we actually get in the area. For now, we're not in the area, so we will stay away. Yeah, right now we're not in this area, so we'll come back to it. There's another trade on GJ. We have not given this on Telegram yet. Oh, we came close to get activated there. Damn, 5-minute push. But did not activate us anyway. Yeah, once we get close to it, we will give you an update on it. We'll post it on Telegram. But till then, no trades. I do wanna put an alert here. If it breaks its lows, it should be able to alert us then. Alright, back on gold man for now. So I'll move this down to where the entry is. Yeah, so gold didn't move much yet. Once again, as kinda was expecting, may not move. 5 did fake out, by the way, as expected. It actually came down to break lows again. Did it break its lows once more? Yeah, it made a small bottom wick, came down, made another wick, and then pushed up. Okay, with no topics now, we are in a bit of a 5 consolidation zone, and this is just a fake out. It may continue to consolidate. So we just wait for actual breakout to happen. This may potentially close bullish, 15 up. Yeah, so guys, we'll probably wait. We're likely gonna get a trade after 4 now. 80 minutes to go. For now, I don't think this 15 is lining up to give any potential trades. We came back right in range. It may not even close strong bullish or anything. Like at a minimum close above this for even a potential buy, because there's not enough range for me to try and take a buy here. Plus this could just be well, like a doji close to continue keep going down for now. There is a huge bottom wick for it to fill in down to. So, how much pips? Yeah, 47 pips. There's definitely volume for